So good day everyone, this is ang installation of Windows 11 but I forgot na ilabas dito sa screen yung pinaka running ng Windows 11 mismo. So here is, yan lang, I'm going to enter lang this. It's like I'm entering something lang. So that is the installation. Mabilis lang naman siya but matagal lang talaga yung loading process ng Windows 11. So ayan, I just did some works on that. Yeah, and then yeah, it's just next. Yan, wala kasi siya yung bootable image, so I tried to pick some sa boot manager and then tried something kung ano yung gagana, and yan, may gumana, and then ayan, next lang yan, and then yeah, so installation lang siya, dyan lang siya maging mababagal talaga. So I will speed up the process here, the loading process, and then after that maglo-loading na lang siya. So ayan na yung final natin. Ayan, thank you guys. I hope you learned something on my installation.